Hello everyone, welcome to Designoge. Today I will show you how to create a 3D logo in SketchUp. First, open your logo in Adobe Illustrator. Go to File, Export. Choose the DXF file format and export the file. Now open SketchUp. Import the DXF file into SketchUp. You can follow the keyboard shortcuts displayed in the lower left corner of the screen to easily understand and follow each step. Select the imported logo, right-click, and choose Explode to separate the geometry. You will notice that the lines are divided into multiple small segments. Triple-click on the logo to select all connected edges. Right-click and select Weld Edges. Now, all the segmented lines are joined into a single continuous edge. Repeat the same process for all parts of the logo. In this logo, there has no flat surface. Press L for line and draw a line on one of the logo line. Now there has a 2D surface. Repeat the same process for all parts of the logo. Next, press P on your keyboard to activate the Push-Pull tool. Click on the surface and pull it upward to give the logo some depth. For the remaining surfaces, simply double-click to apply the same push-pull distance. Your 2D logo has now been transformed into a beautiful 3D logo in SketchUp. Now select logo parts and press Ctrl-G for Group the Logo. You can color the logo by using material from SketchUp. We often need to use logos in many different places, such as on furniture, building nameplates, interior elements, and many other design projects. Creating a 3D logo in SketchUp can make your presentations look more realistic and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Designoge, and stay tuned for more SketchUp tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.